Good morning. It's Tuesday, the 4th of September. I'm Milica Nikolic, and this is your daily outlook. The euro appreciated against most of its major counterparts after ECB President Draghi pointed out that buying options of up to 3 years maturity would not constitute state financing, which is against the European Central Bank's mandate. The ECB will hold a press conference on Thursday, which is expected to set the tone for policies to follow. Today's US dollars highlights will be manufacturing PMI due at 1400 GMT. Oil is rebounding against the dollar after violently dropping to 90.45 at the end of the European session yesterday. However, we need to see a break and hold above the 97.40 resistance level in order to open way for higher highs. Switzerland's second quarter GDP came out negative, failing to meet expectations. The Swiss franc's reaction so far has been muted, however. The Australian dollar strengthened significantly overnight as the Reserve Bank of Australia chose not to proceed with a rate cut. The British pound is trading higher this morning ahead of today's construction PMI release. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar's pivot is 125.60 with a preference to go long from this level. Dollar-yen's pivot is 78.45 with a preference to sell at 78.45. The Aussie USD's pivot is 102.80 with a preference to short below 102.80. Sterling dollar's pivot is 158.45 with a preference to go long at 158.45. Dollar CAD's pivot is 0.9885 with a preference to sell from 98.85. Now let's take a look at the commodities. The oil's pivot is 96 with a preference to go long from 96. Gold's pivot is 1685 with a preference to go long at 1685. Silver's pivot is 3150 with a preference to buy above this level. The US 500's pivot is 1412 with a preference to sell at 1412. UK 100 pivot is 5623 with a preference to go long at 5623. For more up-to-date information, please visit us at www.easy-forex.com. On the calendar, the market movers are UK construction PMI in August forecast to drop to 50. EU PPI output month-on-month in July forecast to rise by 0.2%, and US manufacturing PMI in August forecast to rise to 50. Our interesting pair today is the New Zealand dollar-Canadian dollar. The New Zealand dollar has been falling against the Canadian dollar over the past few days. The pair broke through the 79.70 support area on Friday and has since moved down to 78.57, a solid 1.42% depreciation. It now lies well below its 200-day moving average, and traders should keep an eye on it for potential new lows. This has been your daily outlook. I'm Milica Nikolic from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. I wish you a wonderful day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.